Hi, grade 4. So this is Teacher Lay. For this video, I will discuss about the LCM or the least common multiple and the GCF or the greatest common factor. So we have here factors and GCF, multiples, and least common multiple. Okay, so factors, any of the numbers that when multiplied together form a product. So I have here an example problem. Nelia has 36 salted eggs. She wants to group the eggs using native basket in different ways. So I have here 1 times 36. So I write here the factors of 36, no? The numbers that when we multiply, it is equals to 36. 1 times 36 equals 36. 2 times 18 equals 36. 3 times 12 equals 36. 4 times 9 equals 36. And 6 times 6 equals 36. So all the numbers here, kani sila, these are the factors of 36. Okay. The greatest common factors are the GCF. The factors of 2 or more numbers, then the greatest of which is called the GCF. So ang pinakadako na common nila is the GCF. Examples, the GCF of 140. So we list the factors of 100. No, we have 10 times 10, 100 times 1, 25 times 4, and 20 times 4. Then also in 40, we have 10 times 4, 40 times 1, 20 times 2, and 8 times 5. And as we observe, there are many common numbers, diba? We have 10, 4, 1, 20, and 5. But the greatest is 20. That's why 20 is our GCF. Okay. So in finding the GCF, we can also use another method, that is the continuous division. So mas easy ni ang continuous division. So sa continuous division, we have here 140. So what number can be divided by 140? We have 2. So 100 divided by 2, that is 50. 40 divided by 2 is 20. Then 50 and 20 can be divided by 10. 50 divided 10 is 5, and 20 divided by 10 is 2. So our number here, the dividend, here are the divisor. We have 2 and 10. We are going to bring down. So i-multiply nato, 10 times 2 is 20. So our GCF is 20. Next example, we have 44, 60, and 32. So, ma-divide ni sila og tag 2. 44 divided by 2 is 20. 60 divided by 2 is 30. And 32 divided by 2 is 16. So, 22, 30, and 16, ma-divide pag yun og 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 30 divided by 2 is 15. And 16 divided by 2 is 8. So 11, 15, and 8, wala na ma-divide nila. So, ato nang i-bring down atong numbers diri. 2 times 2, that is equals to 4. That's why GCF is 4. Okay. So, identify the GCF. We have here 27 and 36. So, 27 and 36, ma-divide siya by 3, diba? 27 divided 3, it's 9. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Then si 9 and 12, ma-divide pag yun og 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, atong i-bring down diri ang number sa kilid. 3 times 3, which is equals to 9. So, the GCF of 27 and 36 is equals to 9. Next number, we have 12 and 32. Okay, we divide 12 and 32 by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 32 divided by 2 is 16. Then 6 and 16, ma-divide pag yun og 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So si 3 og 8, wala na ma-divide. So ato nang i-bring down ang numbers diri sa kilid. which is 2 and 2. Then multiply. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So therefore, the GCF of 12 and 32 is 4. Okay. Next, we have 45 and 30. 45 and 30 can be divided by 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. 9 and 6 can be divided by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, what dili na siya ma-divide, wala na lain. Ato na i-bring down ato numbers diri sa kilid, 5 and 3. Then multiply. 5 times 3, that is equals to 15. So the GCF of 45 and 30 is 15. Now, let's go to the multiples. Multiples are products of a whole number and a set of counting numbers. When we natin example diri, when we multiply 4 by each of the first 5 counting numbers, we get the numbers 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Kanang naa sa inyong multiplication table, di ba? Mao na siya mga multiples sa inyong multiplication table. So we have here 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 is 20. So kanisiya din mao ni ang mga multiples ni 4. Or ma-divide man na siya by 4. Okay? So the LCM or the least common multiple, kung pangitaw na to ang LCM, for example, we use here continuous division, di ba? Okay? So, the LCM of 16 and 24, atong gi-write diri si 16 and 24. 16 and 24 ma-divide by 2. So, atong divide 16 divided by 2 is 8 and 24 divided by 2 is 12. Si 8 and 12 ma-divide pa yun og 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Si 4 and 6 ma-divide pa yun og 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay? So, ang atoang GCF, sa GCF na to kay ato arang i-bring down kanirang sa kilid, di ba? But sa LCM, i-bring down nato diri sa kilid o kanipod siyang nahabilin diri mo nitong LCM. Then ato siyang i-multiply tanan. Okay, we have 3 ka 2, 1, 2, 3. Then diri pod 2 and 3. So mao ni siya. Then multiply 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 3 is 48. So the LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. Okay, next. Arita sa LCM na pod. Activity. Identify the LCM. The LCM of 27 and 36. 27 and 36, ma-divide siya by 3, di ba? So, 27 divided 3 is 9. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Then si 9 and 12, ma-divide pag yun by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then, i-bring down na to si 3 and 3 and kani si 3 og 4. So 3 times 3 is 9. Lana sayop ta dire. Wait sa. Si 3 times 3. Okay. Wait sa ha. Okay, dire. So what is 3 times 3? That is 9, di ba? Then times 3 pa jud, that is 27. Then times 4 pa jud, 27 times 4, that is 108. Okay, nasayop si teacher. Again, 3 times 3 is 9. Then 9 times 3 is 27. Then 27 times 4 is 108. So the LCM is 108. Then, find the LCM of 28 and 32. So 12 and 32, ma-divide sila both by 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6 and 32 divided by 2 is 16. So si 6 and 16 ma-divide pa yun by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So i-bring down na to si 2 din 2 times 2. then si 3 times 8. Nanong si 3 times 8, wala naman ni sila kuan, di ba? Kaning factor. Si 8, kaning ma-divide pa ni siya by 2, pero si 3 kay dili naman. Dapat ang kaning mabilin din kay wala na ma-divide nilang duha. Okay? So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Then 12 times 12 times 8 is 96. Okay. Next example, we have, okay, wait sa. Next example, we have 45 and 30. So 45 divide 5 and 30 divided by 5. Kaya ma-divide man sila by 5. So 45 divided by 5 is 9 and 30 divided by 5 is 6. Si 9 o si 6 ma-divide pa. 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So wala na sila ma-divide din hi. Bring down na rin nato si 3 and 2 o si 5 and 3. So 5 times 3, we have 15. Then, 5 times 3 is 15. Then 15 times 3 is 45. Then 45 times 2 is 90. That's why our LCM here is 90. Okay, last activity. Identify the GCF and LCM. So we have 16 and 18, di ba? 16 and 18 can be divided by 2. So 16 divided by 2 is 8 and 18 divided by 2 is 9. So kaning naa sa kilid 2 raman, so this is our GCF. And ang kani dinhi i-bring down nato ang sa kilid 2, then kani siyang naa sa kinalasan 8 and 9. It bring down, so multiply nato, that is equals to 144. Okay. The 144 is our LCM. Okay, next, number 2. 48 and 36. 48 and 36 can be divided by 2. So 48 divided by 2 is 24. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Then ma-divide pa yun ni sila by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. And 18 divided by 3 is 6. Then si 8 and 6 ma-divide pa by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So again, kaning naa sa kilid ato ang GCF. 2 times 3 is 6 times 2 is 12. Sa GCF na to is 12. Then he bring down diri og kani siyang sa last mo atong LCM. 2 times 3 is 6 times 2 is 12. Then 12 times 4 is 48. Then 48 times 3 is 144. Okay, last. 65 and 50. 65 and 50 can be divided by 5. 65 divided by 5 is 13. Then 50 divided by 5 is 10. So isa raman another bring down, so GCF is 5. Then the LCM na to is 5 times 13 times 10. Now, i-multiply na to. 5 times 13, that is 65. Then 65 times 10, that is 650. Okay. So that's all for this day. I hope na we will learn about the GCF and the LCM. Much better if you will use continuous division. Okay? So thank you so much. Thanks for watching.